Quantification of the LVOT area after virtual device placement has been suggested to be an important part of the preoperative planning for transcatheter devices. As such, we created a workflow to visualize the path through the LVOT. Once this LVOT line is placed, one can scroll through the image planes orthogonal to this line, allowing exploration of the LVOT with the virtual device in place. Here we demonstrate quantification of the LVOT area in a device placement. In this example, we demonstrate an exaggerated representation of LVOT obstruction with quantification of the LVOT area. Next, we demonstrate similar functionality using 3D echocardiographic images. As well as an example of a device placement with the potential for obstruction.